Hello friends and welcome to Online Fashion Design. Today I'm going to be showing you half buttonhole, or it is also known as fan buttonhole. It is similar to a basic buttonhole stitch, but in this now we are going to be making half circles alternately. You can also make it two half circles on the sides. On one side you can also do that. Now I've made I've made one line and then made half circle and then another half circle this side. Now lock your thread in the center of the half circle and let's start with buttonhole. Now in half buttonhole what happens is initially there is a gap. So this gap is there and we don't want a gap over here. So to fill up the gap, first I will be putting the needle on the side of the semicircle and come back to the center so that this line is finished like this. This is just at the starting, we have to do that. Then continue as a normal buttonhole. Okay, after this line, now from the center we will go to the side of this circle, side of the semicircle, put the needle out and the thread behind the needle and pull out. So what happens is this side is finished. If we don't put the first stitch, then this is incomplete. So I have first put this needle here and then come out as a basic buttonhole. Now again needle in the center and then on the side, thread behind the needle and pull out. Once again, center and then the side, thread below the needle, pull out. Friends, maintain the center point and the distance when you're removing the needle out. Also see till the end how we switch to the next semicircle. Now this is my last one in this semicircle. Again needle in the center and then from the side and the thread below the needle. Pull out. So my this semicircle is finished. Now switching to the next one. I will again come to the center to do this line, first line, and again come back to this point. Like this. I'm going to the center and coming out from this point. Now again you can continue. Come to the center and from some distance come out at the circle, keeping the thread behind the needle.
Mama, what are you doing?
That's my daughter. Okay, now we'll continue doing like this. Again from the center, put the needle out, down and then pull it out. Thread below the needle and pull out the needle. Once again, center and then pull it out. Friends, you can continue making like this. You can also have variations in the sizes of the circle. And that's how it is my round buttonhole. For this again, now the last stitch what I'm going to do is here I will again, as the last one, I'll pull it out with the thread behind, and now lock the thread. My cloth has become loose, so I'm tightening it first. Okay, now again I'll put the needle, I'll lock the thread and then put the needle down. Okay, that's how it is. I'm putting it down now. And friends, have a look now. This is my fan buttonhole. How is it, friends? Do comment, and if you try out this video, please put a picture in the comments, and like and subscribe, and click the bell icon for the coming videos for the notification. Thank you so much, and bye bye.